Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you the two ways on how you can factory reset your Windows like a fresh or a brand new window. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select System. Scroll down and you'll find Recovery. And here you'll find the option Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your files and reinstall Windows. Now you have to click on Reset PC. And here you have two options on how you can factory reset your Windows. You can choose with Keep My Files, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Everything or all your files will not be deleted. You can factory reset your Windows but your files will not be deleted. So if you want to go with this option, click on Keep My Files. And here you just have to simply click on local reinstall. And after you have clicked on the local reinstall, that will reset your PC. And after that, this will have a fresh start. But this or all your applications, all the personal files will not be deleted and will still be in it. Now click on back. For the next method, you have here remove everything. Remove all your files, apps, and settings. So if you want to go with this option, you will really see that your Windows is having a fresh start. Like you're buying a brand new laptop or a Windows. Now for here, if you want to go with this option is you need to back up all your personal files, apps, and settings. You can simply use an external USB drive to transfer all your personal files, apps, and settings. Now once you have backed up everything, click on remove everything and click on cloud download. And after that, this will download and reinstall your Windows. So that's it. That's how you can factory reset your Windows by using the two options on how you can reset your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.